Founded in 2013 in Shenzhen, China's Shenzhen Keys DIY Robot Company Limited is a high-tech company devoted to open-source hardware researching and manufacturing educational STEM products. Covering an area of 3,993 square meters, Keys now has 111 employees, including an R&D elite team who specialized in robots starter learning kit sensor modules and controller boards compatible with Arduino Raspberry Pi and BBC Micro bit. We also have a sale. Keys has strict quality production process from raw material surface mounting, welding, function testing, and packaging to shipment. So far, we've provided high-quality brand OEM and ODM services to hundreds of well-known open-source hardware companies worldwide and win good reputation from foreign customers. We also created our own brand, Keyestudio Keys, and Kids Bits. Our brand products are in accordance with international standard and almost all have passed CE, FCC, and other international standard certifications like ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Therefore, our products have become the competitive bidding products of many national governments. Establishing agency partnerships with traders in hundreds of countries, Keys also gained great feedback from our loyal customers, both at home and abroad. We look forward to providing more and more creative, high-quality, cost-effective, open-source hardware and maker education products to DIY enthusiasts around the world.